How I style my house on a budget. I have an idea. So let's start. Flowers in your home make you close to nature. Put a houseplant at side of your living room, your bedroom and kitchen. This keeps you fresh and calm. Always use wooden furniture material that make you close to nature. It gives you peace.
Keep your study room window on patio side or garden side. You get fresh air. This air keeps you calm. A garden is a complex of aesthetic and plastic intentions, and the plant is, to a landscape artist, not only a plant, rare, unusual, ordinary, or doomed to disappearance, but it is also a color, a shape, a volume, or an arabesque in itself.
Modern kitchens often serve as a social gathering place. Open layouts, kitchen islands, and bar seating encourage interaction. The kitchen is the heart of the home. This classic quote underscores the idea that the kitchen is more than just a place to prepare meals. It's a gathering spot for family and friends. A bathroom is not just a place to bathe. It's a sanctuary where you can wash away the stress of the day. Emphasizes the bathroom's role in providing a peaceful escape. Subscribe and like video to get more ideas.